Cracked feet. When the sensitive skin on the bottom of the feet and heel becomes too dry, it will split open, leaving painful cracks called as fissures on your heels. These cracks may not only make it painful to walk, but can also lead to infections. Cracks in the heels are generally caused by insufficient moisture. Most people go through cracked feet at some time or the other. It becomes an issue if it keeps coming back. People who seek help are the ones who keep getting these cracked feet often. Treatment options. There are many over-the-counter creams which are available, which can soothe the area and give relief, but temporary relief. The cracks remain in control as long as one uses these external ointments. But what one needs to understand is that these cracks are caused majorly due to the dryness of the skin, and this can be cured only if the dryness can be cured with internal medications and not external. Homeopathy has been very successfully treating cracked feet for a very long time, and we have been able to help a lot of patients suffering with these issues. It will take a while for the problem to go away, as these medicines cause a change within the body to rectify the dryness that is happening. But once it is sorted with homeopathy, it usually does not come back. What are the care that you can take? Even though you start on the medicines, till the body is able to take care of the dryness, you must keep your feet and heel as moist as possible. And if the cracks are deep and open, wear socks to prevent any secondary infection. The skin around the cracked heel is often thicker and drier than the rest of your skin. This skin tends to split when you apply pressure. So soaking and moisturizing your feet can help. With this, honey, coconut oil may work as a natural remedy for cracked heels. Diet restrictions. I do not know of any diet restrictions or any relationship between diet and cracks. But drinking sufficient amount of water will always help. So if you do have cracked feet, do try homeopathy because we've been able to help a lot of people with it. Take care.